It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. You're providing something for people to sustain themselves with. You're growing a product that you can be proud of.
I'm a third generation family member to work in tripod farmers. Straight out of school, straight onto the farm, all I ever wanted to do.
Farming is a lifestyle. You've either got to be committed or don't worry about it.
Something in me that was like, yep, this could be a really good challenge I can get my teeth into. And the challenges just every day don't stop.
The investment in R&D, it should always continue. You can always improve the way that you're doing things, because if you stagnate, someone else is going to do it better than you.
Working with Hort Innovation for a number of years, developing functionality that helps us with our harvest efficiencies and on-farm production, understanding it in real time, systems that can sort of help out with detecting if there's any insects or disease in the crop as you sort of go rather than after the fact. It's going to be the real goal for growers as the pressure of high costs sort of come into it, is how can we make things more efficient and of a better quality.
Hort Innovation has a big role to play in facilitating a lot of these projects, such as the Next Gen Weeding project which we're involved in. The goal of that project is to get information out, and so they've got a big role in helping us spread the information, and they de-risk a lot of the projects.
Australian growers are always on the front foot looking at what's new, and I've just seen Hort Innovation really get in behind that and try and drive not just knowledge but application on farms. I think they're very passionate about actually getting this new tech out on fields.
Working with different organisations like Hort Innovation to improve our growing practices, and also to use whatever technology is available to make ourselves more efficient and more knowledgeable about our trees and how they grow.
Satisfying to think I planted a seed 12 months ago in a hothouse. I've grown it in the paddock and packed it in the box and put it on the truck, and here it is. The consumer can have it now.
Crop mapping with Hort Innovation, it's an imperative program. We really need to get a good handle on what's to come before it hits the market, so we can really plan for that in a marketing capacity so that we don't swamp the local market.
Hort are very good. They approach us when their marketing campaign's going to happen to make sure that there is product available.
This game is all about the next generation. It's all about young people. It starts early, it's hard work, it's sweat and mud. We're always looking to youth to drive that, but also what's new, what's next, what's the game changer.
But I think with increasing technology and the information that's out there and the research that's out there, there's an opportunity for people to see that farming is a new career path and a more exciting career path than it might have been 10 years ago.
We want to leave the farm a better place than what we found it. I think for Dad, he wants to pass on his farming to us, to the kids, so that in 50, 60 years' time, that soil is left better than you found it.
Hort Innovation, it's their job to keep pushing, keep finding new ways, keep finding new productive measures, and instead of sitting back and going, oh yeah, it's tough, it's like, well, how do we get better? How do we improve? How can we build confidence in the industry? Where else can we look? This industry's doing this industry's doing that, and bringing in information and intel from other places.
We have a really good connection with Hort Innovation, and we're working on projects together to see great outcomes for growers, and that's what it's all about, growers for outcomes.
We're growers.
We're innovators.
We're future builders.
And together with Hort Innovation,
We're shaping a stronger,
Smarter.
And a more sustainable horticulture industry.